Everyone, my name is Sania Mahajan and I am a legal intern in Lexis company, and today's topic of mine is upon the anticipatory bail. And in case of a person, if of the apprehension that he might be arrested on the accusation of non-bailable offence, then he can apply for to High Court or the Court of Session for the bail under section 438 of the CRPC, and the grant of bail will be on the discretion of the court subject to the certain conditions, including the conditions that the person shall. And first condition is make himself available for interrogation by the police officer as and when he required. And secondly, it is not to make any inducement and threat or promise to any person so as to deter him from disclosing thus any disclosing of the material facts to the court or any police officer. Thirdly, that is the condition which is required for the such a bail, that is not leave India without the prior permission of the court. And here is the procedure of the anticipatory bail. In order to apply for a bail under section 437 and 438 of the CRPC, the accused is required to fill the form number 45, which is given in the first schedule, and may apply for the bail. After that, it will be given the discretion of the court whether it grants or rejects the bail application. And the application for the bail is concerned, for non-bailable offences, one has to move an application setting out the grounds for the grant of the bail, and in case of the court is convicted that bail should be granted, it passes the order after hearing the arguments. At that stage, one has to file the bail bond duly signed by the surety and to be filled through his advocate. And in case the accused is before the court, he is set at the liberty in the court itself, and is in case the accused is under the detention of the jail, orders the grant of bail are sent to the concerned jail. Then to get oneself released on the bail in bailable and non-bailable offences, one has to file a bail bond, and the bail bond is filed by the surety, and who takes the responsibility for producing the accused person in the court or before the investigation agency. And personal bond and cash surety, the security in some cases while granting the bail, court directs for the personal bonds and the security in the amount bail, that is the amount of every bond executed shall be fixed and with the due regard and the circumstances as per the circumstances of the case is concerned. Then there is a cancellation of the bail on the discretion of the which is done by the court. High Court or the Court of Session may direct that any person who has been released on bail be arrested and commit him to custody on the application which is filed by the complainant on the prosecution. Guys, this was all about the anticipatory bail, where the person gets the bail on the court's discretion, whether it is a non-bailable offence or the bailable offences is concerned, and with the cash security or the personal security bond is concerned. And if you need any information related to it, please do write in the comment section, and please do subscribe this channel Lexis.